Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games, back with a little speed through video once more. This is my second little part. I'll probably just do a couple, maybe do another one, or maybe two. And I'm back with Black Yoshi or Yoshi, left-handed, and the idea is to get through as quickly as possible, which we did. Not too bad. Mushroom cup, flower cup. So we're on to banana cup. And we're going to skip that to try and hurry things along. And I'm just going to fiddle around with my screen, which is going to slow it down. And away we go. Up against Mario. And that's a shockingly slow start, but never mind. It's 15 love. This is more like a slow through at the moment. So 30-15. And this will be 40. Sorry, 40 love. And this should be game in a minute. Whoops. There we go. Just going to juggle my screen just a little bit. And I'm not going that quick through this one, but trying to get the sound and everything right. Okay. So let's quickly get love 30. Oh dearie me. There we go. Take that. No. This is a very slow round. Hopefully that'll be... Oh dearie me. Love 40. And that's game. And the match. So let's hurry along into the next one. And we're up against a slightly more annoying to play against, Donkey Kong. So here we go. Let's get a move on here. You can see he's already getting them back when he shouldn't. Okay. Get that one back. 30 love. Now this is feeling a little bit better. Got into the swing of Yoshi. Well, I thought I'd got in the swing. But now I've got no power circles, which is the only annoying thing in the game. Okay, so we've won the game, but slowed down a bit. Hopefully we can speed that back up. Oh, dearie me, what a shocking mess. This is any problem trying to hurry, you are going to make the odd mistake. And that was a shocker. Okay. He's not going to get this one, surely. 15-30. So let's try and get rid of Donkey Kong out of here quickly with a set point. Oh, he's managed to get that one. He won't get that one. So that's the first set one. That's the first point for the next one. Okay, and he's being a bit annoying now. 30 love. He's not going to get that one back though. And he shouldn't get that one back, but he has. So we've finished him off, and we just need to win this one quickly. The longer you play against them, the better they tend to get. As you can see, getting ridiculous shots back that you wouldn't usually. So here we go. There we go, love 30, nice shot there. Make use of our circle. I love 40, match point. Oh my goodness, I did one of my Yoshi specials there, and lost a point in the process, and I'm doing rather badly now. Never mind. Okay, so we're through that one. We're into the final. We've won a Goomba costume as well. So there we go. Into the final. We're up against the Junior Bowser, so let's get rid of him off the court as quickly as possible. That's a nice 40 love start. Oh, he's getting all ridiculous ones back now. You're not going to pick that one out, are you? Okay. So this is where it gets a little bit more difficult to speed through when they kind of get everything back. So we've got love 15. Hopefully if I play well, I can get rid of him quickly, but I'm not playing well. Just need a load of smash points really. Like that, got a bit quicker in the game, so it's taking a long time, but never mind. Oh. Okay, into the second set. Time is much slower than I wanted, but never mind. That's sort of 7 or 8 minutes. So getting a few more smash points now, which is always handy. Oh, and I made a bit of an error, and I did another error there as well. But never mind, we've recovered a little bit. 40 love. And that should be game. Okay, so I just need to win this one. Nice smashes. Whoops, that was a bit of an error. And that was a double error there. Nearly lost the point, and I've taken it. Oh, what an error. Managed to get away with it somehow. I'm not getting any kind of luck at the moment, but trying to hurry it along with some smashes, but just not quite getting them. But it's not going to get that. So that's the game and set. Got to win another one, unfortunately. That's 15. That's another one. 30. And taking full advantage of that. Oh dearie, you're being ridiculous. You can't get those shots back. Dearie me. Okay, that's the game. Let's smash them off the court as quickly as possible. There's love 15. Just as well it's not a full 6 game. We'll be here forever. Hardly speeding through this one at any rate of knots, but never mind. When I practiced, I did do it about, say, probably a couple of minutes quicker. So that's the game, set and match, and it's taken us, oh dearie me, nearly 10 minutes. So not exactly a super speed through, but it was a mildly quick brisk through, if you like. So that's the end of this one. We're going to leave it there. We'll do the final speed through, or quite fast through if you prefer, in the next few days on the last tournament in this cup. Rather in this series, not in this cup. So that's the Banana Cup. And obviously we've won it, and we are gonna, the next tournament we're gonna play as a speed through is the Champions Cup. It's probably going to be a bit of a slower pace one though. This has been Tim, latest 3DS games. Thanks for watching.